Hello friends, welcome to KB Talks. So whenever you are doing a competitive programming, so most of the times your input will be like this, where you will enter the number of test cases and the numbers, that is the input you will be entering like this, one separated by two, so any number separated by some space, again the number. So in this tutorial we'll learn how can we handle this scenario, that means how to read input in competitive programming scenarios using the Python. So if you see here, this is my sample program that is called in Codechef. This program statement is flow001. So in this statement, what they are trying to say is like Shivam is the youngest programmer in the world. He is just 12 years old. Shivam is learning programming and today is writing his first program. And program is very simple, given two integers. Remember this point, two integer statements a and b. Write a program to add these two numbers. Okay, first line containing the integer t, that means the number of test cases. This is what I am trying to say, is the number of test cases, follows the with the two integers will be separated. Okay, so in this case if you see the input, 3 is number of test cases, then I have three numbers. So how can I loop into it and how do I read these integers in the input? So we'll see that using the Python now. So for this, let me take one new file here, and first things first, what I need to read, I need to read this t, right? So since I am reading here, I'll use input as a function. This t is number, so I'll be converting this input to the integer and I need to assign it to the test cases. So I assign it to the this one. Okay, t. Now we know that range is a function. If you see here, range is a function. If I use 8 of range, it will return 0 to 8. Okay, so use that, and for variable in range of t, that means if I give 4, it will loop through 4 times. So I'm giving that. Then in this case we need to read two numbers, each one separated by space. So I'm reading the number input and this one is separated by space. Okay, and I need to typecast it to the integer type, so int. Then I need to map it to two variables, so I'll use map here. Assign this value a comma b here, a comma b. Then take some variable and do some addition function as per the problem statement and print it on the screen. That's it, a sum. Okay, let me run this. First let me copy it. Okay, and run this, run the module, click save. Okay, let me save it somewhere here. Now let me run this. It is asking for me to enter the input, so let me enter 3. Input is not defined. Okay, let me run this first one more time. I'll just open it. Run the module. Let me enter 3. Split. Okay, now you can see this input I have not given properly. That is the issue. So go here, input. Okay, save this, run it. give 5, then 1 2 sum is 3, 3 5 sum is 8, 600 700 sum is 1300, and 1200 4000 sum is this much. Some big numbers I am giving now. Now you can see this is how we can handle input reading, guys. So I hope it's informative for you guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you more on this. Thank you.